Set up Athene wallet on Google Chrome. How to set up Athene wallet on Google Chrome? It's easy and simple. Now, after you open the Chrome browser, you type on Google Athene wallet like this and click on it. Now, after that, as you can see, click in the first results and make sure you are on Chrome Web Store. Now click on it. Now after that, click on Add to Chrome and now click on Add Extension. Now wait for a few seconds and the extension will be added on your browser. Now as you can see, they will redirect you to the another page. Now after that, click on Get Started. And now as you can see, if you want to create a new account or import your wallet, so for this I will create a new account. Now type your password like this, and after that check this I have read and agree. Now click on create. Now after that, as you can see, make sure to remember these phrases that they give you, because this is the only way to back up your wallet. Now after you complete the phrase, now as you can see, setup complete for Athene wallet, as you can see. Now how to get access to the wallet, just go to this icon called the manage of the extension, and as you can see, click on this pen icon and you will be able to find it here. Just click on it and click on start using. Now as you can see, now you can from here just select your chain. If you want Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, BNB chain, Polygon. After you select one of these, you can now send and you can receive. And so this is how to set up Athene wallet on Google Chrome. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.